From complexity to simplicity, we have made maths easy. Welcome to Philemathics series. Subscribe now and let's make mathematics an exciting journey together.
Given that sine x minus 46 degrees equals cos 62 degrees, find the value of x. For us to do this, we know a relationship that for x bigger than 0 and less than 90 degrees, there's a complementary relationship between sine and cosine, such that sine x equals cos 90 minus x and cos x equals sine 90 minus x. That's why you know that sine 30 equals cos 60, because they are complementary between 0 to 90. So this is what we use to solve this problem. It is much easier to convert cos s to sine s using this. I mean, we can still choose to convert sine s using this so that both will be in cos, but it will take much of our time. So cos 62 will have sine x minus 46 degree have to equal cos 62 from this relationship will be sine 90 minus 62. And if we do this, we'll have sine x minus 46 degree. 90 minus 62 is sine 28 degrees. And so for two sides of an angle to be equal, their angles have to be equal. So x minus 46 have to equal 28 degrees. So if you add 46 to both sides, we'll have s equals 28 plus 46. This will give 74. And that's C.